Tsunamis generated by subaqueous volcanic eruptions represent only a few of all recorded tsunamis, which are more commonly generated by earthquakes or landslides. However, a tsunami can be generated by an eruption. Objectives: to assess the tsunami hazard following a subaqueous volcanic explosion based on the 1760 tsunami scenario in Taal Lake, Philippines. 2. Applying Monte Carlo technique to quantify the tsunami hazard posed to buildings in a subaqueous explosion scenario. 3. To identify what GIS tool has been used. Methodology: bathymetry and topography data. The preparation process was performed for the bathymetric grid for tsunami propagation and inundation simulation. The grid was achieved by combining bathymetry and topography. The bathymetry was digitalized and the topography was collected from shuttle radar topography mission. Monte Carlo technique used to quantify the tsunami hazard posed to buildings in a subaqueous explosion scenario. Quantum GIS software was used to illustrate the spatial data and collect building data from OSM. Taal is one of the active volcanoes located in Taal Lake on Luzon Island in the Philippines. And this volcano presents risk mitigation challenges to humans. The figure presents the maximum water level after 60 minutes in the tsunami model for 3 different scenarios, namely the 1st, 5th, and the 90th scenario, as well as the maximum amplitude distribution in the lake. The right column in Figure 2 shows the inundation extent in the 3 different scenarios and its overlap within the buildings. The 99th scenario is the greatest hazard scenario and produces the largest inundation area in this study. A building hazard map for some example scenarios is shown in Figure 3. This reveals that the inundation depth of the building increases depending on the level of hazard. These final results can be useful for stakeholders on the local side and policymakers on the government side. Stakeholders can use a probability map to be more aware of the hazard level of their own residential areas. And the map might also be a useful tool in an evacuation.